Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Mathematrix. Here in this video lesson, we will learn how to construct the triangle. We need at least 3 measurements of a triangle in order to construct. So, what could be the 3 measures so that we can construct a triangle, we will discuss in this lesson. Apart from that, we will also construct those all types of triangles using the given measurements. So, here we will start our lesson today. Before moving into the construction part, we will see the relationship between the sides of a triangle. Here we have two types of relationship. Number one is sum of the lengths and another is the difference between the lengths. Sum of the lengths of two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. This is the first relationship. For example, if a triangle ABC is there and in this triangle AB, BC and CA, these are the three sides. When you are adding the two sides, it must be greater than the third side. You take any order, the sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. If it is satisfied, those three measures can be the measures of a triangle. Similarly, we have the difference rule, like the difference between the lengths of any two sides of triangle is less than the length of the third side, then those three measures also can be measures of a triangle. That means, if you take the difference AB minus BC, it must be less than third side CA. Similarly, if you are taking the difference of BC and CA, it must be less than the third side AB. Like that, CA minus AB is also must be less than BC. In this way, you can say if the triangles can be constructed or not. Here we have a simple question. The question: is it possible to have a triangle with the following sides? The sides are given 3 centimeters, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeters. Let us check the sum rule first. Let us add 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, it is 8 centimeter, which is greater than the third side, that is 7 centimeter. So, this is true. Similarly, if you take the 5 centimeter plus 7 centimeters, it will be greater than 3. This is also true. And let us take the 7 centimeter plus 3 centimeters, it will be also greater than 5 centimeter. That means, the sum of the lengths of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the lengths of the third side. So, we can say these three measures belongs to a triangle. That means, you can construct a triangle with these three given measurements. Let us see the second question. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 8 centimeter are the measures of three sides. Let us check the first two measures. Sum of the two measures is not greater than 8 centimeters. It is equal to 8 centimeters. So, it is a false. So, here only this particular measures are failed the test of the sum. If you take the difference also, everything must be satisfied. The sum must be greater than the third side and the difference if you are taking, it must be less than the third side. So, here in second case we can say this triangle cannot be constructed. We need at least 3 measurements for constructing a triangle. So, we can see what would be the 3 measurements required for construction of a triangle. So, here the 3 sides of a triangle, that is the first case you can construct first type. The second type, the 2 sides and one angle included between the 2 sides is given, that case also we can construct. 2 angles and their included side is given, this is the third side, third type. Fourth type, the hypotenuse and one adjacent side of right triangle are given, and the finally fifth type of measures can be the 2 sides and not included angle are given. So, in these cases we can construct the triangles. Here we will see the construction of triangles using these all criteria. Here type 1 type of construction of triangle, when the measurement of 3 sides are given. Here construct a triangle PQR with the sides PQ 4 centimeters, QR 5 centimeters and RP 7 centimeters. For any triangle for construction, you need to draw the rough sketch, you need to draw the rough diagram and you need to label the names of the points or the sides of a triangle. Here the given measurements are there. Let us draw QR and then from Q you need to take an arc of 4 centimeters. At the same time you need to take a radius of 7 centimeter arc from R, and these two arcs will be intersecting at point P. Then you need to join PQ and PR. Let us see how to construct. First we will draw the base, that is QR is equal to 5 centimeters. So, 0 to 5, mark it properly and join the 2 line segments, 2 points. Now, Q, this is R, this is 5 centimeter, and now we have the third vertex at the above this line, that is P. So, we need to take the compasses in order to draw the arcs. In order to get the PQ arc, we must take an arc of 4 centimeters radius. So, 4 centimeters, let us mark exactly 4 centimeters from Q, point Q, you draw an arc, you have to draw an arc of this, and similarly you need to draw another arc of 7 centimeters from R. 7 centimeter you need to adjust. So, it must be 7 centimeters, and from R you need to draw a arc. Look here, from the previous arc it was not cutting. So, what we can do? We can extend the previous arc. So, it is 4 centimeters. Let us check it properly and extend it so that it can cut the other arc. Now, we got the point that is point P. Here this is the point P. Now join PQ and PR. Now triangle PQR is required triangle constructed. Here a question: construct an equilateral triangle APE with the side 6.5 centimeters. Let us assume AP is 6.5 centimeter, PE 6.5, EA also 6.5, as it is an equilateral triangle. So, let us draw the rough figure here. So, from P as the base, and then we have to draw an arc from P with the 6.5 centimeters. The same time we need to draw from E also with the same 6.5 centimeters radius another arc, which must cut with the first arc. The intersecting point is called A, then you can join AP and AE. Hence, we will get a triangle APE, which is equilateral triangle. Let us construct it here. So, first you take 2 points P and E with the measures of 6.5 centimeters. This is P and this is E, 6.5 centimeters. Now, let us draw the arc from P, the center P with a radius of 6.5 centimeters. Here it is 6.5 centimeters radius. We have said from P we are drawing an arc, one arc is over, and with the same radius, as it is equilateral triangle, the other side also 6.5 centimeters. So, with the same radius from second point E, you draw the arc which must cut the first arc. The intersecting point of these two is A. Now, join AP and AE to get a triangle APE, which is equilateral triangle. We are joining here. So, triangle APE is the equilateral triangle which is in the question. Construction of a triangle when two given sides and included angle is given. Here AB, BC are the two sides, and the included angle of AB and BC is 50 degrees. Here we need to draw the rough sketch and then we need to continue the construction. Let us see. Draw an AB line segment 4 centimeter. Point A, mark point A and point B, say point AB, it is 4 centimeters. Draw a line segment and mark this is AB. Now, we need to take an angle of 50 degrees from B center. Now, you just take the 0 line onto the line AB and the point with the point of B. Now, 50 degrees must be counted from left hand side, because the angle it is right side, you need to count from left side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 degrees. You mark a point at the 50 degrees using the protractor and then join this BX ray. This point, joining this point, you can extend a ray, say BX. Now, we need to mark the point C. Point C is on the ray BX and from B it is 5 centimeters distance. So, we need to check 5 centimeters and 5 centimeter arc we need to draw on the BX ray. So, here it is cutting at particular point, that point say it is C. Now, join AC. When you get the triangle ABC is required triangle with the given measurements. Type 3 of construction of triangle, when two angles and side between the angles is given. Here MA is 4 centimeters, angle M is 45 degrees and angle A is 100 degrees. So, MA we have two angles. Here you draw a line of 4 centimeters and take an angle of 100 degrees at A, and at B at M you take 45 degrees and extend that ray. They both will meet at some point, say it will be N. So, MAN will be the triangle which is required. So, let us draw in fair. So, draw a 4 centimeter line segment MA 4 centimeter line segment. This is M and say this is A 4 centimeter line segment. Now, we need to construct a triangle using the protractor. We need to construct an angle of we need to take an angle of at A it is 100 degrees. So, at A 100 degrees you must count from the point is in the right side. So, you must count from the left side 0 to 100, it must be here. So, join the A and this point, you draw a ray which you can extend the ray and say this is at A this is 100 degrees angle, and now we need to draw or construct 45 degrees at M, point M. So, at point M carefully you take that the line must coincide the line on the protractor, the point must coincide the point M. Now, count from right side because the point is on left side. So, 45 degrees, 30, 40 and 45 will be here. So, now extend this ray using these 2 points, extend the ray so that it can cut the previous ray. So, at M we have 45 degrees. So, angle M 45 degrees, angle A 100 degrees and MA is equal to 4 centimeters, triangle MAN with given measurements, the triangle is constructed. Here we will construct the type 4 construction of triangle, that is right angle triangle. Right angle at Y 90 degrees and the other two sides will be 5 centimeters each, that means it is right angle isosceles triangle. So, let us draw YZ as base and at Y we can keep the right angle. YZ is 5 centimeter. So, you can mark 5 centimeter. Let us mark from here 5 centimeter line segment here, Y and Z is 5 centimeters. Now, at Y we need to take a right angle, point Y, right angle, take right angle here, and extend this. These 2 points, then extend a ray of a right angle, here it is 90 degrees at y point. Now, we have x will be on this particular ray. So, x y is 5 centimeters. So, we need to draw an arc with 5 centimeters radius from y. So, here it is 5 centimeters radius with y as center. You need to draw an arc, so that it must cut the ray. Let us say this is x. Now, join up x and z. So, this is a triangle x y z is a right angled isosceles triangle. Construction of a triangle when two sides and non included angle are given. This is type 5 construction. Let us take a question, triangle ABC, where AB 5 centimeters, AC 4 centimeters, angle B 40 degrees. So, we need to draw the rough figure as usual. AB as base 5 centimeter, at B 40 degrees. You can raise an ray. On that, onto that ray you have to mark the point C, and then you can say triangle ABC. So, let us see, let us draw IB first. AB 5 centimeters, point A to point B is 5 centimeters, length, and at B we need to construct 40 degrees. At B 40 degrees, here it is 40, and extend these two, join these 2 points and extend the ray of 40 degrees. This is extended, here B is 40 degrees. Now, A, B and third vertex is C. C must be on this BX ray. So, let us construct the point C. When we, how we will get the point C? Here it is 4 centimeters. We need to adjust 4 centimeter of radius. You need to draw an arc, so that it can cut the, here is the intersecting point. We get, say this is point C. So, triangle ABC is constructed. Join A and C. But if you see this, if you check this particular arc may cut there is somewhere some other point also. For example, here it is cutting here somewhere, here also. So, that means you can say that with these measurements we can get 2 triangles. Here the point can be here also. So, we will get 2 triangles with this given measurements. You can see the rough figures, these 2 figures you can get either triangle ABC, this is with the given measurements, or else this one also with the same measurements. Okay. So, in this way we can construct the different types of triangles. I hope you understood today's topic and I hope you know how to construct the different types of triangles with the given measurements. So, if you like this video, you please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.